In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a histogram in Tableau. If you're looking to efficiently visualize numerical data and see its distribution at a glance, creating a histogram is a great way to do it, and I'll walk you through how you can set this up in Tableau in just a few simple steps. We'll start by opening Tableau itself, so you can either search for Tableau in your preferred browser or directly open the Tableau desktop app if it's already installed on your device. Once you've done that, you'll need to either log in with your existing credentials or sign up if you don't have an account yet. This will get you access to your Tableau workspace, allowing you to proceed to the next steps. Now that you're logged in, open a worksheet in your Tableau workbook. Your worksheet is where all the magic happens. It's the canvas where you'll build your visualizations. From here, you'll want to select the numerical field that you wish to analyze. Common fields people use include sales data, prices, or any quantitative measure you're interested in. Once identified, simply drag and drop this field onto the column shelf. Doing this effectively prepares your data for visualization. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top. Here, you'll find the Show Me button, which offers a variety of chart options. Click on Show Me, and you'll see the histogram chart type among other visualization options. Go ahead and select the histogram. Tableau will automatically generate bins for your selected numerical field and create a histogram, providing a visual representation of your data's distribution. Once your histogram is on display, you might want to dive a little deeper into customization. Bins in a histogram represent intervals, and depending on your needs, you might want to adjust these to better highlight certain aspects of your data. To customize the bin size, right-click on the bin field situated in the column shelf and select Edit. This will open a dialog box where you can specify the bin size that suits your analytical goals. Adjusting bin sizes can offer finer detail or broader overviews, enabling you to tailor the histogram to provide the most valuable insights from your data. And that's it! You've successfully created a histogram in Tableau. With these visualizations, you can interpret your data's distribution seamlessly, identifying patterns and outliers with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy visualizing!